Hey everyone, this is Mr. Rodriguez, and today I'm showing you how to do the assignment for Monday 11/27/23, image recolor number 1. This is what it looks like. So let's go over here to the instructions. Click on Monday 11/27/23, image recolor 1, and it tells you here to recolor the top left image red, recolor the top right image yellow, recolor the bottom left image green, recolor the bottom right image blue. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do right now. Click and open the file. Type your first and last name here. Put today's date here, and then your period number here. So here you have 4 images of 4 cows, the same cow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So click on the first one, which is the top left. We're going to recolor this one red. So to do that, again, click on the image. And if you notice, they're all squares. All 4 of them are the same squared image. So click on image options right here. If you click image size, you can see that these are all 3.8 by 3.8 squares. They're all 3.8 squares, 3.8 by 3.8 squares. I just wanted to show that really quick. So click on recolor, and then with this one selected, the top left, I want you to recolor it red. So you can pick, this is red, this one's red, this one's red. So pick any of these reds. I like, let's go with this one. So there, it's recolored red. So now let's do the same thing with this one. Top right, let's recolor this one yellow. So click on the image, click recolor, and let's go yellow. Let's go this one. This one's too light, too bright. So we got this one right here, yellow. Bottom left, click on the image right here, and then recolor over here. And let's recolor this one according to the instructions right there. We're going to do green, recolor green. All right, so click on this one. I think is too light. I don't know. If you want to pick that one, go for it, but I'm going to click on this one. So now I have red, yellow, green, and then this one, click on the bottom right, the last one, click on it, and recolor it blue. So I like this blue. No, this blue. That one or this one? Let's see. No, I don't like that one. That one. There we go. So when you're done, this is what it should look like. You should have your name, date, period, first name, last name here, today's date, your period number, and then these 4 images, red, yellow, green, blue. And then you're done. That's it. This is what I want. When you're done, this is what it should look like. And then save it, turn it into me, and you're done. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye.